wengi wanahisi kwamba maisha yamekuwa magumu zaidi, na hilo sasa linaanza kuathiri jinsi wananchi wanavyoitazama serikali. During the election campaign, President William Ruto strongly promoted the idea of empowering the ordinary citizens through the hustle economy. Supporters still believe that these policies will eventually improve the lives of many Kenyans. However, the critics, they argue that the results have not yet been varied strongly enough at the grassroots level. And this difference in perception is now becoming a central point in Kenya's political debate. At the same time, opposition politicians, they are now watching these developments very closely. Leaders like Kalonzo Musyoka, Martha Karua, Fred Matiang'i, and Rigathi Gachagua, they are among those expected to influence the future direction of opposition politics. Katika siasa za hii country, viongozi wa upinzani mara nyingi usubiri wakati ambapo wananchi wanaanza kuonyesha dalili kwamba they are not satisfied with the regime na siasa za Kenya. If the opposition leaders can manage to organize themselves effectively, they could become a stronger political force in the coming years. Kenyan political history, it also shows that opposition alliances sometimes struggle with internal disagreements. Na that's why unapata viongozi wengi wanasema they don't want to tell the government ni nani ataenda kupeperuza bendera ya opposition. Meanwhile, the government still maintains several important advantages. President Ruto controls the national government, and at the same time, he continues to implement development projects in different parts of this country. Serikali pia inaendelea kutetea sera zake na kueleza kwamba mabadiliko ya kiuchumi yanachukua muda. Because of this, the political situation in this country remains balanced between criticism from opponents and continued support from the government allies. Another important factor I want to talk about is the early political positioning for the 2027 elections. Even though the next election is still some time away, I want to tell you that many politicians are already moving around the country. They are strengthening the alliances and they are trying to build the political networks. Katika siasa za Kenya, maandalizi ya uchaguzi huanza mapema sana. What we may be seeing today could be therefore, I can say, could be the early stage of a much bigger political competition that will unfold in the coming years. I want to end this analysis and say that Kenya's political landscape is entering another interesting phase. The public debate about the government is increasing every day. The opposition leaders are beginning to reposition themselves, and early preparations for the future elections, they are now slowly becoming visible. Lakini bado ni mapema sana kusema kama hali kama hii itageuka kuwa ngumu ama itageuka kuwa kubwa ya kisiasa au itaendelea kuwa mjadala wa kawaida wa kidemokrasia. What is certain is that the coming months could reveal new alliances, could reveal new political strategies, and possibly new political rivalries. And here on DMTV Kenya, we will continue analyzing these political developments before they become the biggest political storms in the country. Thank you for watching this analysis up to the end.